Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And I'm doing a bit of a Saturday update right now. I kind of want to tell you guys what I'm thinking on Bitcoin as we could potentially be getting ready to break out to some new highs here. Bitcoin at the moment, if you look at the daily time frame on Market Cypher, we did print a little bit of a green dot not too long ago, right here, just yesterday, with a 9 and a 1 on the dual band strength index. Now we have a 14 and a -3, but again, it's just that weekend price action, and this is going to be the Sunday candle that's going to be closing. So if we see any meaningful move, it should happen quite soon. But if we do get a move up, to break up to new highs, it should probably happen next week. Probably as soon as possible. You guys can probably tell that on the Elliott wave indicator here, it is showing a wave 5 top. However, I don't think that's going to be the case. I think we still have a really good shot of making a wave 5 that's going to be significantly higher. My target's right around 35,800. You could get, just right now, just as a heads up, you could still get a bit of a dip lower. But there's no guarantee that it's gonna do that. We could very well start taking off as soon as Sunday or even Monday. If you look at the daily time frame on wave edge, you can see we already got a green cross here, and we've seen that these green crosses in the past have led to significant rallies, and you guys can see the upside potential is quite good. So the risk, considering all the risks that we're taking at the moment, it's not that much. So I wouldn't be against chancing along at the moment. And then even then, taking a look at some other indicators like the RSI on the daily time frame, you can see that it's still below the mean at the moment. So that's why I'm just saying watch out. It's still possible we could dip a little bit lower, but it doesn't mean that we have to go all the way to the bottom of an oversold condition on the daily time frame to get a large pump. You guys can see right here, we were not even in that oversold here, and then we got a significant move towards the upside. So again, this move could happen quite soon. Just want to give you guys a heads up. That's why I'm doing this video. So taking a look at the weekly, again, Bitcoin is not looking that bullish on the weekly time frame at the moment. Taking a look at Market Cypher, you guys can see we have a red dot on the Market Cypher A and Market Cypher B. But however, we have a lot of, well, not a lot, it's a small amount of green money flow that's showing up. So that's good to see. But what I would like to see is an increase in the green money flow. If we just get a small sort of a blip like this here, and then we start to roll over, then that out in in the coming weeks, and that obviously would not be great for some more upside in Bitcoin. And then we could potentially see these lows taken out, and then we could move on to lower lows. And that would be obviously the bearish case. But the bullish case is that we have now exited the red money flow condition. We are starting to enter the green one. And we've seen when we enter the green, money flow on Market Cypher on the weekly time frame, it has led to some significant rallies, as I've illustrated in the past. If you guys take a look on Market Cypher here in 2015, once we entered that green money flow after being in the bear market, we had a huge rally of 7,000%, or sorry, 6,800. And then we had the bear market of 2018. And once we exited that red money flow, we got a tremendous rally in Bitcoin. However, this time right here, excuse me, it could be a scenario right here where we were rallying in that red money flow, and then we entered a green money flow, and we were already, starting to top out. And then we have a fading rally, or a couple months that followed, or a few months that followed, and it was just consistent downside until we fell back into the red, and then re-entered into the green once again, and then had a huge rally. So again, that's why I say be on the lookout for potential drop in the market. I'm not saying that we're going to immediately start to roll over here. What I'm saying is that we could potentially get a pop up to higher, make some higher highs, and then start to potentially roll over afterwards. So it's still possible that we could get some green money flow here, and then start to cut back down into the red, and then it could lead to another sell-off, and it could wipe out a lot of the gains that everyone has made. And that's why taking profits is so important. Okay, so moving on, actually taking a look at my Discord right here, I just want to share with you guys a trade that I posted a couple days ago on CFX, and we just closed that one up today over 124%. and actually am partnering with Albank and Fairdesk right now, and you guys can sign up with the link in the description with Albank and get a very nice bonus. And then we actually closed another trade the other day as well, a short on Chainlink, which was up over 110%. So congratulations to the crypto members. And again, I get a lot of questions. You know, these trades don't happen every day. You know, we're gonna do quality over quantity, and I know some people don't have patience. They want to trade every single day, and that's just not the way to do it. If you do that and you constantly force trades, you're gonna end up losing a lot of money, and you're gonna get really frustrated, and you're eventually gonna give up on trading. All right, so moving on here, essentially these are my targets. You guys already know them. And then the upside target, the reason it's around 35,800, you already got this very nice gap fill here that's just waiting to be filled at 35,800. Okay, and after that, I don't know, you could maybe push higher, and then, or you maybe start to, you know, push higher, consolidate, and then you could get a distribution pattern, and then you could start to drop lower after that. So that's just what I'm thinking on Bitcoin right now. And yeah, obviously you could speculate in some cryptos like altcoins, XRP, Neo, anything like that. But you know, you're taking more risk. It's possible that, you know, the SEC is not done with their court case with XRP, and they're going to come after them again. I don't think they're going to let off that easy, even though the favor, it was in favor of XRP. But I think the SEC is a little bit upset about that. And they're not gonna let that slide, even though it was fair game all around. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers, and then yeah, feel free to join the Discord, links in the description. Peace.